Welcome to another edition of our SELT test prep video series. In this episode, we'll review a passage that could be found in Part 1 of the B1 level reading test. Today's reading passage is an email sent by a company to their employees. Let's check it out. The email reads, "Due to growing employee numbers, meeting room space is now extremely limited. To reduce unnecessary staff meetings, we encourage managers to arrange video calls from their desks instead. Starting next week, staff must reserve conference and meeting rooms at least 5 days in advance. If you're organizing a meeting for over 20 people, the online booking system will select the most suitable meeting room. Managers may use their own offices for brief meetings with small teams. Please feel free to read or listen to the passage as many times as you need. When you're ready, you'll find the question on the next slide." Ready for the question? What is the email asking employees to do? A. Get permission from their managers before using a meeting room. B. Change how early they book meeting rooms. Or C. Stop organizing small meetings in large conference rooms. Which choice do you think is correct? Before we reveal the answer, let's review the information from the passage. When the passage mentions managers, it encourages them to have video calls instead of in-person meetings when possible, and that managers can use their own offices for quick meetings with a small number of people. For when people need to book meeting rooms, the email says that starting soon, rooms will need to be booked at least 5 days in advance. As to which meeting rooms employees can book, the email says that for meetings of 20 people or more, the online booking system will select an appropriately sized room. The email does not mention restrictions for smaller meetings. After reviewing the information in the passage, we can confidently say that the correct answer is choice B. The email is asking employees to change how early they book meeting rooms. We can feel confident in this answer because the email does not say employees need to get permission from their manager to book a meeting room. It also does not place restrictions on the size of the meeting room for small groups, just that the system will automatically pick the best room for groups of 20 or more. The email does say that starting next week, conference and meeting rooms need to be reserved at least 5 days in advance. The words "starting next week" tell us that the process for booking a room will be changing soon. Thank you for watching this edition of our SELT test prep video series. You'll find additional test prep videos on our YouTube page and more practice and test prep materials on our website, skillsforenglish.com. Good luck!